Come ride the magical, incredible, fantastical. Come ride the Very Airy Library.
Welcome to the Very Airy Library.
Wow, it's awesome.
And it flies?
Each week,
Hey,
there's a
Mr.
new
Sam.
journey from a prominent author.
What is this place?
A few friends
You're
with us,
staying?
we about to travel on before.
Welcome, Janie Human.
Ride the magical, incredible, fantastical. Come ride the Very Airy Library.
I think we're ready to go. Hey, fellow story explorers. We just landed here in Columbia, South Carolina, and we're gonna visit a young author by the name of Gus Kakaras. And he wrote a book called Super Waffle. And this is his original version. I think I hear Gus now. Well, hello, Gus.
Hey, Mr. Stan.
Hey, welcome to the Very Airy Library. Come on in, man.
It's amazing.
I'm glad you like it, man. I want you to talk to all of our fellow story explorers out there and tell them a little bit about you. So tell us your name, your age, and what do you like to do for fun?
So my name is Gus. I am 10 years old, and I like to play baseball and with my friends.
Oh, so you're a baseball fan, huh?
Yeah.
You got a jersey on here. I've never seen this. What team is that?
Oh, the Phillies.
The Phillies? Philadelphia Phillies? We don't allow Phillies fans in here. This is Braves country. Get out of here, Gus. Ah, I was just kidding, Gus. You can stay. You can stay. That was just a joke. All right, so Gus, here at the Very Airy Library, we have every book that's ever been written. And I love to hear young authors like you love to hear their favorite book. So what's your favorite book?
My favorite book series is the Wing Feather Saga.
Oh, so sci-fi.
I like a little bit of everything.
Oh, good. You're well-read, uh-huh. So Gus, today we're gonna do a few things. First, we're gonna play an icebreaker game. I wanna hear a little bit more about the book that you wrote. And then lastly, we're gonna put your book into the Eternal Library. How does that sound?
I love it.
Hey, did somebody leave the fridge open? 'Cause it's getting cold in here, which means it's time to play an icebreaker game. You know the rules. Spin the wheel, and whatever it lands on, you have to do.
All right, go ahead and give it a spin. Dun, dun, dun. What will it be? Ooh, what is the worst food you've ever eaten? And describe what it tastes like, Gus.
I feel like this is every kid's nightmare. Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprout.
It has this tangy, bitter, sour, sweet flavor.
Oh, tell me more, good sir. What you're describing sounds like a small slice of heaven.
Daknee, you would eat the slime off of a slug.
Guilty as charged.
Gus, how did you come up with the idea for this wonderful story?
Pulling the book up now.
Well, Cody, it was actually lunch, and I was hungry, and we were having chicken and waffles that day. So I just figured that nobody really thinks about, hey, let's do breakfast food as a superhero. More like a dinner food or lunch food.
Yeah, and you know breakfast is the most important meal of the day, what they say.
Inspiration can strike from anywhere.
What powers does this waffle have?
So these waffles have super strength, super speed, but they have super duper anxiety, so.
Oh, so I see what you did there. So you took a trait from Superman, super strength, or the Hulk, and super speed, maybe Flash. But where did the anxiety come from? Where did you get that idea?
So I realized that everybody at some point in their lives gets anxious or has anxiety, and I kind of wanted to put in a human trait there instead of it being completely fictional. No, you can't relate to it.
I love that. You know, the best books are books that you can relate to, and everybody can relate to being anxious. I know I've been anxious, and I'm sure the story explorers out there as well have been anxious. So thank you for adding that trait in so we all can feel a part of this waffle.
Cookies are in the oven,
Oh, I think I hear Philo.
and that means it's Philo time.
Hey, Philo.
Oh, you must be Gus. It's so awesome to meet you. I heard you're a writer, just like me. I gotta ask, what part do you love the most? You know, about our profession.
Probably thinking about what it's all gonna be about, because it could be about a waffle. It could be about you.
Me? You would write a book about me? That would be so cool. We can work out the details later, royalties, IP, book signings, all that good stuff. But right now I want to know, what was the trickiest part about writing your book, Super Waffle?
Probably revising more than once, because you revise once, you're like, okay, I got it. And you revise again, and you're like, oh no, I gotta fix this too. Now I got it. And then you gotta do it again and over again until it gets right.
Oh yes, that's a good answer. It smells like burning. The answer. It smells like, oh no, my cookies.
Go, Philo.
Let me know when the book's finished.
Bye, Philo. All right, Gus, we reached the end of our day. Are you ready to put your book into the Eternal Library?
Uh-huh.
Let's do it, man. Now, Gus, before we put your book into the Eternal Library, do you mind giving our story explorers out there some words of advice or encouragement?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Even when you're nervous, just keep trying, because you always have the chance to do something great.
Oh, I love that, Gus. Even when you're nervous or a bit anxious, always give your best, because you may have the chance to do something great. You have a chance to do something great now, to become an eternal author. Are you ready to put your book into the Eternal Library?
Yeah.
Let's do it, man.
Commencing literary ingestion process.
So cool, huh?
Yeah.
Eternal author. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Process complete.
All right, well, that's it for today, fellow story explorers. Always remember to be kind and never judge a book
Or a person.
by their cover. See you next time, friends. So, Gus, I have something for you. Braves hat. Would you like it?
Hit the showers. You're out of here.
The book Super Waffle is a selection from the Share Your Story writing program and published by Leap for Literacy. Visit startyourstories.com to see how you can participate.